Airborne XT. Ah, Airborne XT. That's an air creation. It's the same I have.
It's another company's product.
Okay.
It's our neighbor.
You're the neighbor? Okay. And what is this? This is some special trike? Yeah, interesting. Really heavy. Oh. Interesting, eh? And they have batteries? Ah, the batteries are inside, so this one is loading. Cool. Looks like an airplane.
It's also my first time to watch.
See it, okay. Yeah, interesting. Here you have the brakes, here you have the throttle. But you don't know somebody here.
Yeah, it's my first time to
Okay,
to see it.
cool. This is the company.
It's not our company.
But can you ask him or it's his product?
Oh, okay, okay.
Hi.
你好，你好。这是我们的。
So this product, they make it here.
Yeah，这个车是在这里做的吗？对。Yes。
Okay. And how long you can drive?
这个车可以，这个车的寿命有多久啊？
寿命
啊，
寿命取决于这个电池吧，大概4、5年应该是没问题。
It depends on the batteries. It's the electronic vehicle, and maybe its life is 4 to 5 years.
Okay.
看你的使用强度嘛。
Yeah, it depends your frequency.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they sell it also outside or China? It's also for European?
这个你们之前出口过吗？出口到国外。
澳大利亚。
And they export to Australia.
Australia. Okay.
Yeah.
What's the price?
电池不大好出口。
这个价格是多少？
价格
？In dollar?
6万8。
6万八 is 我看一下换成美金是多少？ Oh, wait a moment.
9000多。
It's about $10,000.
$10,000. Okay. Can we try? Is it possible to test it?
You wanna know more detail about
No testing? Can we drive?
Testing? 哦，它可以就是尝试驾驶一下它吗？你们这里也可以玩一下。OK.
Okay, how is working?
我先开出去，你开出去那个。
And you ride in the outside.
Okay.
Try it outside.
Cool.
Yeah.
Warning.
Maybe I guess it's the off-road vehicle.
Off-road vehicle. Okay. Ah, in the back.
Yes.
Oh, Ab, mag ik even die telefoon, dat jij die andere telefoon mee filmt met jou? Kut. Wat voor telefoon heeft hij? Oké, let's go.
Okay.
Ah, this is good. Oké. DS Sport. Oké. Ah, perfect. Normaal. Oké. So this is power. Power.
Yeah.
And this brake?
Yeah.
Okay. And brake front or back? Okay.
这个转向。
Okay.
OK。
Cool.
这个油门了。对。刹车。
Brake, yeah. Okay. Power. Okay. En sport en normal.
OK， you。
Yeah. Drive. Okay. And brake? Okay. And this is front or this is back?
Yeah.
This is front. Okay. And this is back.
对，你告诉他就是说，什么？就是你告诉他就是说，往一个方向打，不能猛回的话就有翻的风险。
If you roll it right and
Yeah.
just a little bit.
Little. Okay. Not too much power. Okay. Yeah. Then you have a mirror. Okay.
加个防遮阳的，上面遮阳。
Like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
这个不行，这个不太好。我们这个有个改款的，就是说是这样来，就是说前面还有一个底，加个底。
He have another reason and as the top of the to prevent the sunlight
Okay.
and the rain.
Completely. Cool. Yeah, nice. Okay.
已经是
Perfect.
淘汰了。